This is the part 2 of our February 4, 2025 recorded class Riego. This time it's for our second day work for today's class. So we're going to do the Tuesday work for this video. And I want you to practice counting with me and I'll check the numbers for you, okay? So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Those are the numbers that we counted 1 to 30. Now, how about I erase the writings on the screen and we'll now move on to our letter friend. So again, there are two kinds of letters. We have capital letter Z and lowercase letter Z, and Z has the Z sound. The sound of Z is the sound of Z is all the letters make a sound. The sound of Z is for zucchini, zipper, and zebra. We also have zeppelin, zero, and zinnia. They all make the sound, the z sound. Letter Z, letter Z. These are the things that begin with our letter Z. They have the Z sound. And again, let us go back to our reminder. Letter Z is one of our alligator letters. The alligator letters are short and fit under the dotted line. So when we do our capital letter Z, we go at the top, we slide, and then we go out, that's capital Z. And our lowercase letter Z, again, just like our alligator, it goes under the dotted line. So we have a line at the top, you slide, and you go out. Lowercase letter Z. And Z is for the zipper. The zipper is what we find in the clothes and also in our bags to close it. Let's erase this one on the screen. And let us jump to writing our Z words. So do you have your whiteboard, your marker, and your eraser? Please get it. We are going to write for our Z words. And in our work here, we get to do the first word, zap. Z, A, and the letter P, our word is zap. Remember, from our outlets, there is electricity flowing. And you have to be careful with that one so that you won't get zapped. Next one. Our next word is for the word zip. I use the zipper to zip it close. Z, I, and the letter P, that is zip. Zip. Z-I-P, zip. And then let's erase this one. Since we're done with zip, let's do the word zone. The builders work in a construction zone. Z, there's O, N, and the letter E. We have the word zone. Zone. Let's erase this one. And another word for pimple, it's the zit. We have Z, there's I, and the letter T. This is called a zit. Zit. Z-I-T. Next one, when you want to be fast like the superhero, you zoom away. Z, O, O, and the letter M. Zoom. Now, I am going to erase this one. And for the next word, let's do the word zag. Part of the word zigzag. There is a zag in the road. Z, A, and the letter G. That's our word zag. Oops, let me write letter G again. Let's erase this one. Go around, up, down with a hook. Zag. Okay, let's erase for the word zag. Now, if I am being too fast, you pause the video, play it again once you are done. You can go back to this part of the video if you haven't finished writing for your Z words. Now, what about we jump to the next part, and that is to do our sound hound. So let me fix our screen, and we have our pictures that has the Z sound in the beginning, in the middle, and also at the end. So remember, you get to listen for the Z sound letter Z. So where are we going to put zap? Zap. Z. App. Z. App. Zap goes in the beginning, in the middle, or end. If it begins with Z, zap should go in the beginning. Zap. Okay, next. What about this one? Let's do the word puzzle. 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 Where's the Z sound? Did you hear it? Puzzle. Puzzle goes in the middle. It should be here in the middle. Okay, next. How about for the fizz? Fizz. The soft drinks like the Coca-Cola and the Royal, they are fizzy drinks. They have the bubbles. Fizz. Where do we put fizz? Is. Z. It should be at the end. Fizz is at the end. Okay, next one. How about for our zoo? Zoo. Zoo. The Z sound, it's in the beginning. Remember again, if it begins with Z, it goes in the beginning. Okay, next we have our magazine. Where's the Z in magazine? Magazine. Magazine. Where's the Z sound? Did you hear it? I have the underlined letter Z also if you haven't heard the Z sound. Magazine. It's in the, where do we put it? Middle or end? It should be in the middle. Magazine is in the middle. Let's make it small so that we can still fit the other pictures. Magazine. Okay, next we have the word zipper. 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 Where's zipper? Zipper, we should put it in the beginning. Okay, this one is a very expensive gemstone. It is called a topaz. 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 Where's the Z sound? You hear it in the middle or in the end? It goes in the end. Topaz has Z at the end. Okay, next, I'm going to jump to lizard. Where do we put the lizard? Lizard. Lizard. Where's the Z sound? Lizard. It's in the middle. There's Z in the middle of the lizard. Okay, next. I'm going to jump to the buzz. 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 Where's the Z sound? Buzz is found at the end. The Z sound is found at the end. Okay, next. How about this one? It's a kind of music. It's called jazz. 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 The Z sound is at the end. Okay, next. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Where do we put the bulldozer? There's Z in the middle of bulldozer. We have to put it here in the middle. Last one, zebra, zebra, zebra. Zebra begins with Z in the beginning. So let's go back. These are the pictures that we have sorted. We have in the beginning zap, zoo, zipper, and zebra. The ones with Z in the middle, puzzle, magazine, lizard, and bulldozer. The ones with Z at the end, fizz, topaz, buzz, and jazz. Those are the words with the letter Z. Now, I am going to jump to the next part, and that is for you to do your work time. And I want you to prepare the following things. You will need your phonics letters book, your Z flip book, and then the picture scramble, your glue, scissors, crayons, and markers. Now, before we start with our work, I want you to read our sentence. Let's read together and I will underline it for you here on the screen. I saw the zebra. Let's go back. I saw the zebra. So this is our zebra. Next one. I saw the zucchini. Let's go back. I saw the zucchini. This is the zucchini, a kind of vegetable. I saw the zipper. Let's go back. I saw the zipper. This is the zipper, part of your clothes, of your bag to close it. Let's go to the next set of sentences and let's read this one. I saw the zeppelin. I saw the zeppelin. The next one, I saw the zoo. I saw the zoo. Let's erase this one and let's go jump to the next part. Okay, I want you to finish answering for page 96. It is for our sound hound. Your cutouts are found in page 100. And you have to write your name first on the work. And I will show you how to answer this one. You get to cut the pictures as well so that you can paste it on this work. So I have the picture zipper. Where can we put zipper? Zipper, z sound. It goes in the beginning. It begins with Z. What about bulldozer? Bulldozer. Bulldozer has the Z sound in the middle. What about buzz? Buzz. Where can you hear the Z sound? It's at the end. Okay, next. Zap. Zap. Zap is in the beginning. Magazine. Magazine. Where's the Z sound? Magazine. It's in the middle. How about lizard? Lizard. Lizard. It's in the middle. How about jazz? Jazz. The Z is at the end. Next one, topaz. Topaz. The Z sound is at the end. How about puzzle? Puzzle. Puzzle. It's in the middle. How about zebra? Zebra. It's in the beginning. How about fizz? Fizz. It's at the end. And the last one, zoo. Zoo. It's in the beginning. So these are the pictures that you will need to sort. The ones in the beginning, we have zipper, zap, zebra, and zoo. The ones in the middle, bulldozer, magazine, lizard, and puzzle. The ones at the end, we have buzz, jazz. We also have the topaz and fizz. Now, if you are not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. But I'll jump to the next page, and this is for our reading fluency. I want you to read with me for our Z words, and you have to write your name on your work. Z is for zap. Z is for zag. Z is for zip. Z is for zit. Z is for zoo. Z is for zone. So these are the words that begin with the letter Z. And let's color because part of your work is to color the pictures if you read all of the sentences. Color the zebras and the pictures. We have Zap, the magician can zap. We also have the picture of our zag, zip for the zipper, Zit for the pimple, zoo, and also the zone where the builders work. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. For this one, I want you to do your word match. And again, we will start with the name at the top. Trace for the Z words, we have the word zap, Z-A-P. We also have the word zip. And the last one is the word zoo. You get to cut and paste for the pictures. The first one is zap. Then we have the zip. And the last one, it is the zoo. Let's write zap, Z, A, and letter P. Zip, Z, I, and the letter P. Zoo, Z, O, O, zoo. So these are the Z words that we have. Let's color for this one. We already finished. Sorry, not color, but erase the writings on the screen. And remember, if I'm being too fast, again, you pause the video, play it again once you are done. You get to do your flip book. So we already read this one in our board screen a while ago. So we get to color the pictures and make it look nice. When you color, you try not to get out of the line. So we have our zebra. We also have our zipper. We have the zeppelin. And we have the zucchini. And this one, we also have our zoo. So these are the Z words that we need to color. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase the writings on the screen, and I will jump to our page 99 in the book. Now, part of our work is to use the flip book. You get to write for the missing words. You get to label them. So how about we spell out for the first word? I have here the word zoo. Z-O-O. That is the word zoo. The next one, it is zucchini. Z-U-C-C-H-I-N-I. Zucchini. Another one, zeppelin. Z-E-P-P-E-L-I and N, zeppelin. Next one, we have the word zebra. Z-E-B-R and the letter A, zebra. Last one is zipper. Z-I-P-P-E and R, zipper. These are the Z words that you need to write for. Now that we are done with this work, we can move to the next page. But I want you to finish this one. If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one and let's go do another page, and that is for your spelling. So I want you to spell for your Z words and please write your name at the top. So we have the first word zap. Z, A, and the letter P, zap. Again, Z, A, and the letter P, zap. Next one, we have zip. Z, I, and the letter P. This is zip. Z, I, P. The word zip. Next one, we have zit. Z, I, and the letter T, zit. Z, I, and the letter T, zit. So these are the Z words: zap, zip, and zit. If you're not yet done with this page, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Can I move to the next one? I'll jump to the next set, and that is for the word zone here. Z, O, and then there's two letters at the end, N and E. Now we write E at the end because E is a silent letter. We sound out for N at the end. Z, O, N and E, that's our word zone. Next one, zoom. Z, and there's two letter O's in the middle of zoom. O, O, and M, zoom. So again, Z, O, O, and M, zoom. Another one is zag. Z, A, and the letter G, zag. Again, Z, A, and the letter G, zag. So here we have the zone, zoom, and zag. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one, and I will jump to the next part, and that is for our picture scramble. Now, for this work, I want you to trace for the letter Z, capital Z, and this one, the lowercase letter Z. And let us read. We have a zap, zag, zip, zit, zone, and zoom. And always write your name in the space provided. Let's erase this one. I'll jump to the next work. In the first page, we have the word zap. So you have to cut and paste for the word. We have the word zap, Z-A-P, and trace for the word zap. So we have Z, A, and the letter P, zap. Please trace and write for zap again. Z, A, letter P, zap. For this picture, we have the magician. He will zap using his wand. Zap, Z-A-P, zap. Our word is zap. Let's erase this one. And let's move on to the next part. Now again, if teacher is very fast in this video, you pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let's paste for zag, Z, A, and the letter G, that's zag. The zigzag, Z, A, and letter G, that is zag. Z, A, and the letter G, zag. Z, A, and letter G, zag. Z, A, and the letter G, zag. So we have the word zag, Z-A-G, zag. Let's erase the writings and let's move on to the next page. And this is for the word zip. So we have Z, I, and the letter P, zip. Let's put this one in the box and let us trace and write Z, I, and P, zip. I zip the zipper close. Z, I, P, zip. Zip. Z, I, P, zip. Z, I, P, zip. So we have our word zip. Zip. Next one. How about for our word zit? We have to paste for zit the first letter Z, I, and the letter T, zit. So let's spell it out. Z, I, and the letter T, zit. Again, Z, I, and the letter T, zit. Let's spell it out. Z, I, and the letter T, zit. Again, Z, I, and the letter T, zit. A zit is a pimple. That is our zit. Let's jump to another part of our page here. And this time we have the word zone. So again, Z, O, N, and E, that's our word zone. Let's trace for zone Z, O, N, and E, we have the word zone. Z-O-N-N-E, zone. Z-O-N-N-E, zone. Z-O-N-N-E, zone. And the last one, how about, let's erase, and let's go jump to Zoom. We have Z-O-O and M, Zoom. So let's trace this one, Z-O-O and M, Zoom. Again, Z-O-O and M, Zoom. Z-O-O and M, Zoom. Let's space for our pictures, the picture for Zoom. Again, we have Z, there's two O's in the middle, and the letter M, Zoom. That ends our work for today. The last page is the Zoom from our picture scramble book. And good job for finishing the work if you're already done. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll circle the sticker friend for you, Riego, and I'll be choosing the number 2. So again, we have the Paw Patrol friends for our sticker friend. And I hope that you finish your work for today, and I'll get to see you again in our next class. Bye-bye!